was very good overall. It was very easy right from the start. Contacting them, organised a viewing for one of the previous projects, which was great to see the doors in real life before we made our order. The ordering process and the fitting all went very smoothly, and even when we had a couple of issues during the fitting, they were picked up on and rectified straight away. So we were sort of quite happy with the service and overall sort of level of detail to manage the process. We chose them for the really slim and narrow profiles, so that shows the maximum amount of light and glass through, and the operation of the doors are very easy as well. No snags and no sort of problems pushing the doors out and putting them back in and locking them. I would recommend Shard. Yeah, the doors are fantastic, and like I said, the team were great that we dealt with, and it was a smooth process overall.